Good afternoon. Thanks for the opportunity to me. Before I went into the session explain the result of observation after watching a teaching video in class. I will introduce myself. My complete name Yosefa Marnil Ayu, NIM 22225111024. And this is a video of exam achievement at teaching learning strategy course. Happy watching! We can watch the video above.
Selamat pagi anak-anak.
In the first one, there is an opening where a teacher. The opening to greet and celebrate the news of the student, pray and sing Indonesian song. Second, introduce the learning material that will be taught, namely about the change in the appearance of a melting object. 3. Before starting the learning, the teacher asks the student again about material of yesterday, which is about the form of object. 4. Ask questions about yesterday material before starting the next lesson. 5. Perception of why ice melts because there is a change in the temperature. Okay, next B. Core activities. The first, the teacher asks the student 122 page book of discourse on change the appearance of melting objects. Syntax 1. Student orientation on the problem recognition. Teacher asks student to look at page 122. Syntax 2. Design project planning. The teacher asks the student to look at the step teaching video in class. From my observation of this teaching video, there are 3 questions given. First, rare analysis of learning activities, core and cover. What are the 2 learning methods used? What their methods are used? Let's explain both. Okay, next, syntax 2, design project planning. The teacher asks the student to look at the step on page 122 to conduct the experiment, and the teacher divides the student into 2 groups. Syntax 3, guiding learners to create project, drawing up project schedule. The teacher asks student to discuss, observe, records the syntax and attain. Syntax 4, project implementation and monitoring. Condition hands-on practice on melting object, and the teacher guiding student to write down observation. Syntax 5, present and text. Okay, next, syntax 5, present and test the object result, present take of the project. For each group to present the result of their observation in the front of the class. Syntax 6, evaluation of reflection, asking students feelings about today learning. Were they satisfied watching live? The next, closing. The method used the learning project based, which involves student in research, analysis in presentation. Next, the learning model used is project-based learning. Closing, the method used in learning project-based, which involves student in research analysis and a percentage. The learning model used is project-based learning. So, the learning hard steps. Student work on a structured project involving various tasks, namely orientation stage, planning stage, implementation stage, presentation stage, reflection stage. Some of the results of my observation. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye-bye. Closing, the method used in learning project-based, which involves student in research analysis and a percentage. The learning model used is project-based learning. So, the learning hard steps. Student work on a structured project involving various tasks, namely orientation stage, planning stage, implementation stage, presentation stage, reflection stage. Some of the results of my observation. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye-bye.